Imagine if we could make our coastlines smarter, stronger, and more resilient, not just surviving storms, floods, and rising seas, but thriving despite them. Coastal resilience isn't just about saving cities. It's about protecting ecosystems, species, and the very way humans interact with the shore. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's explore this together. At Boston Stone Living Lab, researchers like Catherine Daffin are taking bold steps to secure the future of our coasts. Working with partners from the University of Massachusetts Boston, Boston Harbor, now the National Park Service, and the City of Boston, they're building healthier coastal ecosystems. How? By boosting diversity at every level. Genetically resilient seaweeds are planted to improve water quality. Burrowing creatures called ecosystem engineers are reintroduced to naturally enrich their environment. And lost habitats are being recreated with breakwaters, species cultivation, and carefully designed ecosystems supporting over 150 species and tripling biodiversity. But here's where it gets cutting edge. Artificial intelligence is helping scientists predict what works. AI models and digital twins simulate outcomes, guiding decisions to maximize coastal health. NOAA uses AI for everything from rip current detection to monitoring coral resilience and even spotting paralytic shellfish toxins, keeping both ecosystems and people safe. This isn't just local progress. It's a global momentum toward nature-based solutions, showing how science, technology, and community action can meet the climate challenge head-on. So the takeaway? Coastal resilience is possible, and AI is a critical tool to help us build it smarter, faster, and more effectively. If you want to see how science is protecting the places we love and the species we rely on, this is the moment to pay attention. Don't forget to watch the related video in the corner for more ways AI is transforming our world.